Welcome to Trusted Company Reviews. In this short educational video, I'll walk you through how to use our budget calculator to plan your monthly budget, test different budgeting methods, and customize your plan to fit your needs. You're likely already on your monthly budget calculator page. However, if not, simply go to trustedcompany.reviews.com, choose the Personal Finance tab at the top center of the page, and scroll to Financial Calculators. When the page pops up, you'll notice several financial calculators designed to help you manage your finances. Go ahead and choose Monthly Budget Calculator. This calculator helps you understand where your money is going each month. You'll enter your after-tax income, choose a budgeting plan or create your own, and add monthly expenses to see how everything lines up in real time. The first box is where you can input your monthly after-tax income. This is your take-home pay after taxes and deductions are taken out. Fill in your monthly income here. For our example, we use the default amount of $6,000. The second box is where you choose your budgeting plan. The default here is the 50-30-20 plan, in which 50% of your take-home pay will go to your needs, such as housing, transportation, utilities, etc. 30% of your income will go towards your wants, and 20% will go to savings and debt. Here, you can also choose a 60-20-20 option or a 70-20-10 plan, which can work well if money is tight and your living expenses are high. You can also choose a custom option in the drop-down menu, in which you allocate your income to each category, customized to your needs. Now we'll scroll to your monthly expenses. In this section, we'll add the cost of everything we spend money on and assign it a category. We'll start with the housing at the top. $1,800 is what we'll put here, which will go to our needs bucket. Let's say utilities are $250, groceries $600, transportation $400, insurance $200. Dining out, this will go to our wants category. This is $300. Say our entertainment is $200. And let's put a savings contribution of $700, which will go to your savings and debt category. And let's put a debt payment of $400 here. At the end of the list, you can add expenses. For example, you may wish to allocate funds to a charity. Simply label your expense, choose the dollar amount, and select a category. In this case, we'll use wants. You can also remove the last expense here if you need to. As you enter the numbers, the results update automatically. At the top, you'll see your total income, total expenses, your monthly surplus or shortfall, and whether your budget is on track. Below that, you'll see how much of each category you've used and how much remains. Now it looks like we've gone a little over budget on one of our categories here. I'm going to scroll to the top and we're going to change our budgeting plan to the 60-20-20 plan. And we'll scroll back down and that looks like everything's great. Once you're happy with your budget, scroll back up and click on the printer-friendly version button if you wish. This will provide a copy for you to print or save for your records. And that's it. Keep in mind that this calculator is a planning tool. It's not a pass or fail test. And you can use it to explore scenarios, adjust categories, and just simply make better informed decisions about your monthly spending. If you'd like to explore more calculators, you'll find links in the description below. We'll also include additional financial resources for options like debt consolidation, refinancing, and personal loans, so you can explore those options as well. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps you plan your budget with confidence.